Greetings. I almost forgot to record my day 2 video. So checking in. What have I done today? So I did follow my schedule of wake up, do some coding for a few hours, and then when my mind started to get sludgy, can't really focus, and it feels like I'm kind of just forcing myself, took that time to do some working out, and then to eat some raw eggs. Delicious. There's a video that I'll post up here, and that I'm not going to post it. That you can watch if you want to learn about slonking raw eggs. It became apparent to me last time I didn't make it very clear what I was studying. So I'm studying Android development. Thanks to my good buddy who recommended it. You know who you are. You're going to see this tomorrow, probably. And certain aspects of it are pretty tough, for sure. But I like the format, I guess. I don't know how to say this, that it has like design aspects, it has the coding aspect, the logic that you have to program yourself. But I like that you can just plug it in to the phone and just transmit your app straight to it and see it, you know. Other types of coding where it's like more database or back-end type stuff, I don't know if I'd like that as much because you don't really get to visualize, or you don't get to really see the result of your product. But I also don't know a ton about those things, so who knows, maybe I'm wrong about that. Maybe those could be appealing. But this is the path I'm on now. So I'm going to stick to this, and if I still like it, I'll keep doing it. And if not, I'll go do something else. So then after I worked out and ate, came back and did some more work. Currently in my app, so I'm doing a course with Udacity, and they give you a bunch of lecture videos, and then you do the project. There's like, I think like 4 projects or 5 projects in this course. So I'm on the second one only, and the part I'm like stuck on is like this like network. How do I say this? Like getting information from like the network. Like you get the we're using the NASA API to get info on asteroids, and I need to like pull that info in to the app and do shit with it. Like it's like you have to parse the URL to get the specific bits of info that you want, and then feed it into the app. And so far, the part I'm struggling on, I feel like everything else I could be fine. I could figure out with some effort. But the part that's like really irking me right now is that like I'm supposed to pull that info, but I'm also supposed to like put it in a database, and I'm supposed to store some of it for offline use too. And the lessons that Udacity gave, like those are 2 separate lessons, and they didn't. Basically, it was 2 separate lessons, and now in the project they're combined. So like I have to get the learnings from both lessons and figure out how to make them work together, because they're not exactly like, I don't think they're really interchangeable. So I don't know if I got to just rewatch both of those courses or what. I tried my best though. I tried to put a bunch of code together based on reviewing some of those videos and looking at some of the code and the other example apps we had. And I got stuck. This fucking error, there's like an error in the XML. I don't think it's really in the XML though. It says that it can't inflate the view, which is like, I can't explain that shit right now. But basically it's like a really annoying error, and it doesn't really, the log doesn't really give you a good example of what's wrong. So I've run into this before in some other projects, and usually it was something really stupid, like missing a quotation mark or something, but I just can't find it. And by the time I got to this problem, I'd already been working a lot, so I was kind of like fried and hungry. So I was like, I'll just work on this tomorrow. So that's where we're at. Yeah, but overall though, it's probably because I worked out thoroughly for the first time in a while, but I feel pretty tired. I feel like I'll go to bed at a good time tonight. But I think my schedule was a good success. Got my stuff in, got like a good amount of work in. Um, got to work out, got to eat, do all that good stuff. I mean, I don't know what else there is to say. Really, the main thing is the real struggle, I guess, is consistency. That's usually the issue. Like, anyone can pick up a new routine, or some productivity guru on YouTube tells them to do this for the next 10 days, for the next 30 days, and then you do it for 3 days and then you stop. So we'll see. So we'll see my consistency, as well as making videos consistently. I almost forgot to do this video. Oopsie. I think that's it. That's all I wanted to talk about today. Yeah. Peace out.